friends, this is Ahmad Faraz, and in this video I am going to tell you about that how to sign up in Elite Earners Club. So in the last video I told you about something about means the owner of Elite Earners Club, and that was means Temur Tariq, and I showed his profile, whole profile of Facebook, engagement of Facebook, type of business, told you about what, how it works, and all that thing I told you in the previous video. What have you watched in last time on my YouTube channel? So for getting all my YouTube channel, you just need to subscribe and you will receive notification from Gmail, from Google, and you can see my all videos. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to sign up in Elite Earners Club. So first of all, you need to put your name. Okay, so you can put, like I put it here, Hamad, and in last name I put Faraz, and in your email you can put your own email. And now you have to select your tier. So number one, there are two tires, tier 1, tier 2. So when you are means taking arrow to this tier 1 and tier 2, so you can see that it's showing, otherwise it's not showing because of the, it says means the theme color is something that does not showing, but soon the website will be updated and that will be corrected soon. So first of all, what you need to do is selecting tier 1 and tier 2. So tier 1 is below 10k and tier 2 is above 10k. Okay, so in tier 1 the minimum invest is $100, and in tier 2 the minimum invest is 10k dollar. Okay, and here you need to provide your inter Bitcoin wallet address. So you need to provide your Bitcoin wallet address, and do not put a single you can say space between here. Do not please copy from your wallet address before putting here, and see two times. If it's okay, then you can go through. Now you have to put your password. So password, what should be the type of password is, I will show you here. It should be small letters and capital letters, and some numerics like means number, and some these type of keys which are over the board, means on the keyboard. So you can use this type of password. This will be the shape of the password what I'm telling you. Okay, and you need to confirm your password and then click sign up. And when you do this, you will receive your means email. You will receive email in your Gmail account, and then you need to verify it. After verifying it, you need to login. So now login. Now I would like to show you my back office and enter mail and login. So I have not put I have not deposited yet because the deposit day are on weekends, means they trade from Monday to Friday, till I think Friday, or no, yeah, till from Monday to means Thursday they trade, and from means on Friday they withdraw the money, and the member who want to deposit again, they get deposit on Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So these are the days when they deposit and withdraw the money. So these are the you can say my back office. And where to find your referral link? First of all, click on my account. After clicking on my account, you can also change your BTC Bitcoin wallet if you want to. So but you can't change your tire because once you have submitted the tire, you can't change it. So please be careful before selecting it. Now you can see here my referral link. Click on my referral link and copy it from here. And after clicking on it, copy here, and you can send to your friend who wanna join. So this all the things are about that how to create account in EC Elite Earners Club. and these all are the things which are so important. So please be careful when creating account. It's easy, but it's also some little bit confusion you may have. So I hope you got the idea. Please subscribe to my channel, message me on Facebook if you wanna join, and you can join me in this. Is a great opportunity and good opportunity, and it's awesome opportunity. So I hope you are having a good day. Talk you soon in another video. You can contact me on Skype and even on Facebook, whatever you wanna. We can chat and we can discuss some things, whatever you wanna. So I hope you got my idea. Thanks, take care, talk you soon in the next video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Have a great day. Bye.